biggest thing to being an adult in a relationship is being a great listener to your partner. When they're talking, really listen to them. And it's not always easy because sometimes it's something you don't want to hear. So, number one thing to do is be a great listener to your partner. Number two, also make sure that you're clearly expressing your needs, wants, and desires. Don't hold back and hide them because you're afraid to lose that person. So, really finding a way to have an open channel of communication and not being reactive to things you don't like, learning how to communicate with each other in a way that moves the relationship forward. And I think a big thing that you can always say when you're getting into a tense situation in an adult relationship is, hey, do I want to be in a relationship or do I want to be right? And if you want to be in a relationship, you always find a way to communicate with each other properly.